Alright, let's dive into the world of machining madness, hammer and wrench. Today, we're taking on the challenge of creating an insane part on the lathe that will blow your mind. Picture this, a complex, unique part sits before us, waiting to be brought to life on the lathe. The intricate design is like nothing you've seen before, sparking curiosity and excitement in every machinist's heart. As we venture into this machining journey, precision and skill will be our guiding stars. Machining an insane part requires not only technical prowess but also a keen eye for detail and a steady hand to execute the intricate cuts. Now, let's talk about the technical challenges we're up against. From tight tolerances to complex geometries, every aspect of this machining process demands utmost attention and expertise. It's a test of our abilities and a showcase of the artistry behind machining. With the stage set, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get down to business. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the lathe, selecting the right tools, and diving into the machining process. Get ready to witness the magic unfold before your eyes. And here comes the moment you've been waiting for, the climax of our machining madness. As the lathe spins and the tools dance across the metal, the part starts to take shape. Precision cuts, intricate details, and sheer craftsmanship come together to create a masterpiece in motion. As we wrap up our machining journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the key steps we've taken. From the initial setup to the final finishing touches, every move was calculated, every cut deliberate. It's a testament to the dedication and passion that drive us in the world of machining. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. Like the video, subscribe for more thrilling machining content, and share your thoughts on the insane part we've created. Your feedback fuels our passion and inspires us to take on even greater machining challenges in the future. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of machining madness with us, and let's create something extraordinary together. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and remember, precision is key in the art of machining. Thanks for watching, Movie Camera.